Last spring, our furnace started blowing cold air. Now it's getting cold, summer's almost over, so I thought I should attempt to fix it before I call a pro to handle it for me. First things first, I turn off the power and gas. Next, I open the burner cover. And since we bought this house, I haven't done any maintenance on this furnace. This is maybe the reason why it stopped working. So many debris and cobwebs inside. Our furnace is not a standing pilot, meaning it doesn't have a light that stays on. It uses a igniter or HSI, hot surface igniter. This is a part that glows orange hot to light the burners. The one I'm holding right now is a flame sensor. It detects the flame after ignition. If dirty, the furnace will light but shuts down after a few seconds. This is what happens to my furnace. I use steel wool to polish it. I had to polish it twice because it failed the first time. As you can see, the igniter turns orange hot and then the burner lights up. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.